How to hard reset vivo T4x 5G. Forgotten password factory reset. Step 1. Power off the phone. Press and hold the power button, then tap power off to completely turn off your vivo T4x 5G. Step 2. Enter recovery mode. Press and hold the volume down button and the power button together until the vivo logo appears on the screen. Step 3. Access the recovery menu when you see the vivo logo. Release only the power button, but keep holding the volume down button until the recovery mode menu shows up. Step 4. Navigate to wipe data. Use the volume buttons to scroll through the options and highlight wipe data. Factory reset. Press the power button to select it. Step 5. Confirm the reset. Scroll to yes and press the power button again to confirm you want to erase all data. Step 6. Reboot the phone. Once the reset is finished, choose Reboot System Now and press the power button to restart your device.